In this problem, we're going to evaluate this limit. So in general, the first rule when you're evaluating any limit is to always just take this number and plug it in. Let's do that. If you plug it in here, you get arcsine of 0, which is 0. And if you plug it in here, this number here, you get 0. So no matter what, in this problem, you get 0 over 0. So whenever you have 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, you can use something called L'Hopital's rule. So L'Hopital's rule just says that you take the derivative of each piece. So here we have an arcsine function. So let me refresh your memory on what the derivative of arcsine is. If you take the derivative with respect to x of arcsine x, this is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. So this is the formula for the derivative of arcsine. So here we have arcsine of 3x. So when we take this derivative, we have to use the chain rule. Okay, so it'll be 1 over square root 1 minus, and then the x is really 3x. So it's 3x squared times the derivative of the inside. The inside function is 3x, its derivative is 3. And then on the bottom, we take the derivative of x, which is super easy, it's just 1. Okay, at this point, I believe we can just plug in the 0, right? There's no issue. So remember, when you're computing limits, when you plug in the number, that's when you stop writing the limit sign. So we can drop the limit sign. I'll put the 3 up top. This goes away because it's all over 1. So we get 1 minus 0, right? Plug in a 0, 0 squared is 0. So just get 3 over the square root of 1. So the answer is 3. And that is the final answer. I hope this video has been helpful. Take care.